Question number 5. In a parallelogram ABCD, E and F are the midpoints of the side AB and CD respectively. Okay, so this is a midpoint of AB. Same thing, F is a midpoint of CD. Alright, so what are they asking us to prove? Show that the line segment AF and EC trisect the diagonal BD. Right, so trisect simply means we're asked to prove that this diagonal BD is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, that means we'll be proving that DP equals PQ equals QC. Clear? Alright, now let's see how we prove this. First thing, we'll try to prove that AEFC, this is a parallelogram. Okay, once we have proved that this is a parallelogram, we'll take this triangle here, and also this triangle here, one after the other, and try to prove that DP equals PQ equals QB. Clear? Alright, let's start. So here, write down here, given ABC is a parallelogram, E and F are the midpoints of the side AB and CD respectively. To prove line segment F and EC trisect the diagonal BD, or DP equals PQ equals QB. Right, that is what we'll be proving. Okay, now prove. The question will give us what ABC is a parallelogram, right? Then can I say the opposite side AB is parallel to the opposite side CD? We can say, right? Now we know that since these two opposite sides are parallel, can also say that AE should be parallel to FC. We can say, okay, parts of parallel lines are always parallel. Okay, now once we have written that, can also say that the opposite sides are equal. That means what? AE equals CD, can I say? Alright, we can say. Okay, now what happens? Because AB equals CD, can also say the half of AB should be equal to half of CD. We can say. Alright, so half of AB, the whole length is AB, right? If I take half, it will either be AE or EB. Clear? So but we need AE, that is why I'm going to write down half of AB equals AE. Alright, same thing with half of CD. Half of CD will actually be either FC or DF, whichever you want, but right now we will take it to be FC. Okay, because this is what we need, right? So you can say AE equals FC. Alright, now when you look here, can you see that we have already proved that AEFC is a parallelogram? Why? Because see, we have proved that AE is parallel to FC, and also this AE equals FC. Right, so now we can say that AEFC is a parallelogram. Why? One pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Right, now because this is a parallelogram, can I also say that the line AF is parallel to the line EC? We can say. Also remember that they will be equal to. Okay, now that this is a parallelogram, now once again, can we say that PF is parallel to QC? We can say, right, these two lines are parallel. Same thing, we can also say that AB is parallel to EQ. Why? Parts of parallel lines are parallel. Alright, now let's take the triangle one after the other. So in triangle DQC, the question really gave us what? This F is the midpoint of DC, right? And we have already proved just now that PF is parallel to QC, which means, can I say that this P has to be the midpoint of DQ? Right, we can say. And if P is a midpoint, then we can write DP equals PQ. Okay, or PQ equals DP. Now once again, look at the lower triangle again. Question really gave us the E is the midpoint of AB, right? And we have already proved that this line EQ is parallel to the line AP, right? Which means Q has to be the midpoint. And if Q is a midpoint, we can say PQ equals QB. Alright, so there's our equation 2. Now when you look at 1 and 2, can you see that PQ equals DP and again PQ equals QB, right? Which means all these three lines are equal. Alright, therefore you can say PQ equals DP equals QB. Hence we can finally say the line segment AF and EC trisect the diagonal BD, or is divided into 3 equal parts.